Hi, today I'll show you how to back up and restore messages on WhatsApp. For backing up chats, tab Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and then Backup Now. For restoring your chat history from an iCloud backup, verify that an iCloud backup exists in WhatsApp by going to Settings, then Chats, and then Chat Backup. If you can see when the last backup was performed, delete and reinstall WhatsApp. After verifying your phone number, follow the prompts to restore your chat history. That's it! Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.